Noswaith dda bawb. Good evening everyone. Croeso nôl. Welcome back. Agor ein diwylliant. Opening our culture need adeiladu fences, not building fences. Tafwyl and dathlu hugain mlynedd. Tafwyl celebrates 20 years. It's a festival. Cyfres pedwar a phennod rhif chant a hugain. Series 4 and episode number 329. Ar y Traeth, on the beach. So a beach themed episode. Heddiw, yw dydd Sul unfed ar hugain o Fehefin 2026. Today's Sunday, the 21st of June 2026. Ac mae hi'n 5 munud ar hugain wedi 9 yr wyr. And it is 25 minutes past 9 p.m. Mae gwers heddiw am lan y môr. Today's lesson is about the seaside. New warning, new module. Like I've got the people have done things for Welsh, famous people, VIP, heroes, whatever I call the page. I'm doing now a kind of collection of music and musicians, artists. So today's is Biddig. So you'll see there, you can click on you can type different names in, but there won't be anything there yet. It's just Biddig. You can type other letters like it's a button like F, but it won't do anything because Biddig doesn't begin with F. But when they do, and there's lots of them, they'll be useful, them buttons, and so will the search. But until then, you've just got Biddig. If you click show biography, there's then videos to scroll through and a biography that's interactive and translation underneath. So just something else, just more culture, more immersion. That's it, yeah. So Jukebox today also has Ellen Fleer, Ar lan y môr, classic song by the sea. The lyrics are there for that as well, interactive. And then we've got an article, which is a very short article, but it's lifted off Wikipedia Cymraeg. And it's Tir ffyrdd naturiol a geir ar lan môr neu lyn yw Traeth. A beach is a natural landform found on the shore of a sea or lake. Fe'i creir gan effaith tonnau môr neu lyn yn eradur tir. It is created by the effect of a sea or lake waves eroding the land. Gall traeth fod yn tywodlyd neu garegog. A beach can be sandy or stony, neu'n gymysgedd o'r ddau, or a mixture of both. Mae traethau nodedig Cymru yn cynnwys Traeth Lafan, Bay Conwy. Wales' notable beaches include Traeth Lafan, Conwy Bay, a'r Traeth Coch Ynys Môn yn y gogledd, and Traeth Coch, Red Beach on Anglesey in the north. Today's words are related to the beach. Traeth, beach, traethau, beaches. Standing on the beaches, looking at the beaches. And all that good stuff. Tywod, sand. Cerrig, stones. Plural of carreg. Twin, hill or heap. It can be a dune, sand dune. Twinny, it can be dunes. That's what I put there as. Môr, sea, ocean. Moroedd, seas. Ton, wave. Tonnau, waves. Glanamore, seaside shore. Moorland, seashore, beach, coast, marshland. Arfordir, coast. Glannau, riverbanks, brinks, edges or shores. Clogwyn, cliff, precipice, boulder, crag. Ogov, cave, cavern or grotto, ogov. Cregin, shell. Draenog o Môr, sea urchin, apparently. Adar o Môr, seabirds. Hail, sun. Haylog, sunny. Gwynt, wind. Cymylau, clouds. Dŵr, water. Tywodlyd, sandy. Hugain, ice cream. Sglodion, chips, plural sglodin. Some people just say chips. Hugain, I've done that one. Hugain, sun cream. Spectol hael, sunglasses. Tywel Traeth, beach towel. Gwisgnofio, swimsuit. Ymlacio, relax. Nofio, swim. Torheilo, sunbathe. Syrthio, surf. Plumio, diving. 2 eyes in that, so I'll have to change that. Hwylio, sail. Dringo, climb. Castell tywod, sandcastle. Casglu cregin, collect shells. Mynd i'r traeth, go to the beach. Ymweld â'r traeth, visit the beach. Mwynhau'r traeth, enjoy the beach. Ar y traeth, on the beach. Ar hyd y traeth, along the beach. Ar lan y môr, by the sea. What else have we got? Oh yeah, some of this most of this lesson was prepared yesterday, but I just wasn't able to do the podcast at the end of the day, and another little bit I wanted to add on. I just wasn't able to concentrate, finish it off. It's been difficult to focus on it for a few days. Don't really get any kind of feedback from it. So it's kind of like the podcast is doing all right, but the web lessons don't get seen much, and I put a lot of effort into them, and then it doesn't seem to correlate the same sort of figures. But I've got this condition that's all weird and reads things the wrong way and does all sorts. The main successes here is not about figures and numbers and all that rubbish. It's about me, really. I wasn't going out, and now I'm doing loads. And like today, I met new people at a new chapel. I've done 3 chapels today. And one of them was completely in Welsh, and I understood it and sang in it, and it was great. And spoke to people I haven't spoke to before in another language. I'm very conversationally fluent, and I've come a long way in a couple of years, and socially and lingually. So that's the success, really. But I'm carrying on with it. I won't say never stop, but I aim to keep going with it. I'm trying to adapt it so that I can get something different out of it for myself. That's why I'm introducing a bit of improvisational music, and I've done the software program with it, and I had to go an app and doing different bits and bobs, and I'm just trying to get something different out of it. So, so I'll carry on what we're doing, but so a lot of words today are from yesterday. So you got Dydd Sadwn there. So we've already done the days of the week apart from Dydd Sadwn. for other languages. So I've thrown that in. I told you about the new music one. The news for today is damwain train Bedford. Un wedi marw a now mawn cyflwr difrifol. Bedford train crash, 1 dead and 9 in serious condition. Like I say, yesterday's news. So damwain train Bedford. Un wedi marw a now mawn cyflwr difrifol. Iran yn cael cilffor Hormuz ac yn cyhyddo Israel ac America o dorri'r cytundeb cydoediad. Iran closes the Strait of Hormuz and accuses Israel and America of breaking the ceasefire agreement. 5 wedi ei anafu mewn ymysodiadau sy'n cael eu trin fel rhai gwrth-Fwslimaidd. 5 injured in attacks which have been treated as anti-Muslim. Mae'r perchenog melyn llynon yn dweud ei fod wedi cael gorchymyn I ail-beintio ar ôl eisteddfod yr urdd. The owner of Melyn Llynon, or Llynon Mill, says he has been ordered to repaint after the earth eisteddfod. The one that's been painted in the Wales flag colours, green, red and white. Looks beautiful. But yes, there's a news item there. Dyna sydd wedi dioddef cymdriniaeth yn galw am fwy o gymorth I fenywod. A woman who has suffered abuse calls for more help for women. And then there's a little poem that Mark has added to music. Geiriau sy'n gorffen gydag aeth. Words that end in aeth, A-E-T-H. Mae llawer yn fenywaidd. Many feminine. Onni traeth, but not beach. Hiraeth, longing. Gwasanaeth, service. And agwahaniaeth, and difference. So yes, the ending A-E-T-H are very, very often feminine. And I'm going to keep listing the ones that come across that are rule breakers and we'll make poems and songs out of them. But yeah, guess everything is masculine. If not, follow the rule and eliminate ones that might be feminine. And a big rule for feminine is this one. Endings. A-E-T-H is one. So, and the obvious feminine ones. Feminine animals, feminine people, feminine relatives, feminine workers, feminine occupations. All feminine. Anyway, but yeah. Words that end in aeth, many are feminine, but not beach, longing, service, and difference. And here's this music piece. Ta-ra! Geiriau sy'n goffen gydag aeth. Mae llawer yn fenywaidd. Onni traeth, hiraeth, gwasanaeth, gwahaniaeth.